In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product template in Printify. By the end, you'll know how to set up a reusable design layout so you can build new products faster and keep your brand consistent. Start by opening your browser and searching for Printify. In the results, look for the official site and click through. A quick tip: confirm you're on the correct domain before signing in, so you know your account is secure and you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, log in with your existing account. If you use an authentication app or a backup code, have that ready. After you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all your stores and products. From the dashboard, head to My Products. This section lists everything you've already created. Pick any product you want to use as the base for your template. On that item, click the paintbrush icon labeled Edit Design. This opens the product creator, which is where you'll build the layout that becomes your template. Now upload your images, add text, and place everything exactly where you want it on the canvas. Use high-resolution files for crisp prints. Transparent PNGs usually work best for graphics or logos. Keep an eye on the safe print area and avoid pushing elements too close to the edges. Use alignment tools to center or evenly space items, and if there are multiple print areas available for that product, switch between them as needed to ensure everything lines up. Think of this step as building a master layout you'll want to reuse again and again. When your layout looks right, click and drag on an empty part of the canvas to draw a selection box around every element you want in the template. Make sure you capture all the layers you intend to reuse: images, text boxes, and any decorative elements. With the group selected, choose Save as Template. Give the template a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, such as a product type plus a version or season. The next time you're designing a new product, open the product creator and go to the My Templates tab in the left panel. Click your saved template to apply it instantly. Your grouped elements will drop into place, and you can make quick adjustments for size or positioning if the new product's print area differs slightly. That's it. You've created a reusable Printify template that speeds up your workflow and keeps your designs consistent across products.